Greetings. This video is going to explain the different parts of the spreadsheet that's posted in DC Connect. So when you open it up, you're going to see in this column's highlighted in yellow, the financial statement for 2019. So remember, the financial statement is what really happened. At the top, you have the revenue. So this is how much money they really got, $348,773. And if you scroll down, you'll see how much money they really spent. How much did they spend? So if we scroll down, we say they really spent $349,060. Okay, and this part in here explains how they spent it. When you go to the top again, they've been told to either plan for a budget for 2020 with a 2% cut or with a 1% increase. So just to make life easy, I've said that they might get a 2% cut to all revenue, or they might get a 1% increase to all revenue. So when you click on the cell, you'll see that if they get a 2% increase to the provincial grant, you can calculate that by saying, 2% cut, you can calculate that by saying whatever's in cell B5, which is B5, that amount, subtract 2%, and you get the 2% right here. And I've done the same for each one. I've said whatever's in this cell here, B6, subtract 2%. So this is what their new revenue will look like if they get a 2% cut. But if they get a 1% increase, I've done kind of the opposite. I've added 1% to each one of these cells.